How to replace non-IP hardware in Access Portal. Replacing your faulty non-IP hardware on site is easy as the hardware is hot swappable without impacting on the system. All the technician has to do is simply unplug and replace the hardware in Access Portal using the following steps. Step 1. Identify the hardware fixed address and logical address. Navigate to Setup. Click on Install. Select the main system controller that your readers are installed to. Click on Installed Devices to see the current hardware installed on your main controller. Take note of the fixed address and logical address of the hardware you plan to replace. Step 2. Replace your hardware. Navigate to Setup. Click on Readers. Identify the reader you need to replace using its fixed address and select the two arrows pointing away from each other. Select Scan Bus to scan for the new non-IP hardware. Click on the new hardware fixed address. Select Finish to complete the replacing process. Confirm the completion of the process, ensuring that the changes are saved and implemented successfully. Click OK to proceed and repeat the process for the rest of the readers that you want to replace. Step 3. Verify that the hardware is replaced and back online. Return to Setup. Click Install. Select the main system controller the readers are installed to again. Click on Installed Devices. Check to see that all your replaced devices are online and have the new hardware's fixed address and old hardware's logical address.